AI and software ship owner. Many companies have these very expensive softwares, about 10,500 euros for crew management and ship management software, about 130,000 per year have to pay for the software usage. And we have today different means of managing programming and like Cloud, like Copilot, and with these tools today we can have key performance indicators tailored to the ship owners' needs. Some ship owners have these requirements or those requirements, and today it's very easy to have united meetings, co-work of those both AIs. Therefore, is there any need of paying such high fees for the software management? Of course not. Why? Because we can amend two new requirements. Should this ship trade this trade, that flag requirement, these minimum wages, or these new IBF agreements, or these new checklist and endorsements of these countries, whatever is, or visa requirements, or medical examinations, amendments and changes and so on. All these with AI is perfectly well managed. And please, if you do have this issue, dear ship owner, if you are paying this 130,000 per year software usage, and you think that perhaps we can really work a bicycle and program our own Cloud code and our own Copilot co-work, then contact Candina, because we can really make a tailored system of AI to your very good crew management business at zero cost, but really what you need. Thank you. Bye.